Hello everyone, Chase here at Rocky Mountain ATVMC coming at you with the light bar mounts for the Polaris General from Tusk. So we all know that light bars are a very popular upgrade, a great accessory to have on your side-by-side. So if you own a Polaris General and you're looking to get a 30-inch light bar on there, well, these light bar mounts from Tusk are gonna be your solution. So what's cool about these is they're made from hard steel. They have a black powder coated finish, so I think they look awesome. I think they did a really good job with the design of these. They mount up easily. Okay, the way they mount, just keep in mind you are gonna have to drill a couple holes for these, but it's very simple. On your stock visor, there's gonna be a couple dimples. Okay, just follow the instructions, but you're just gonna drill holes there, and then these are going to come with all the hardware that you're going to need to get these mounted up. But once you get them mounted up, well, you're ready to install the light bar. And as you can see, we designed these to integrate with our Tusk 30-inch light bar. So you can do the straight light bar. We also have the Tusk 30-inch curved that would work with these mounts as well. Now you can get the mounts separately, but we actually do have a couple different kits available. So if you want to kill two birds with one stone, you can get the kit that comes with the 30-inch straight or the curved light bar. But there they are. Those are the Tusk light bar mounts for the Polaris General for the Tusk 30-inch light bar. Great price point, again, great construction, easy mounting. So if you want to get a light bar on there, well, that is an awesome route to take. If you guys have any questions about these, make sure to comment below, give us a call, or chat live online. We will get your questions answered. And do not forget that we have a lot of great accessories for the Polaris General, like half windshields, full windshields, rear windows, even roofs. So make sure to give those a look as well. Orders over $75 ship free. If you guys like this product spotlight, you want to see more like it, well, do not forget, click and subscribe. I'm Chase at Rocky Mountain, and we'll see you on the trails.